Hey there, keto enthusiasts. Welcome to Ketopedia channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Lazy Keto, a lifestyle that's not just about low-carb living, but also about making things deliciously simple. And guess what? We're shaking things up a bit because we're going egg-free for breakfast. Now, I know eggs are a staple in many keto recipes, but today, we're taking a break from the clucking and focusing on egg-free breakfast options. But wait, there's more. We're not just stopping at egg-free. We're promising you a breakfast feast that's not only low on carbs, but also high on flavor. Get ready for a roller coaster of taste with these easy-to-make, mouth-watering recipes that'll kickstart your day the keto way, such as cauliflower hash browns, spinach and feta breakfast casserole, keto-friendly granola with nuts and seeds, coconut flour pancakes, low-carb breakfast burrito with lettuce wrap, smoked salmon and cream cheese wraps, keto smoothie bowl, Greek yogurt with berries and almonds, avocado and bacon. Roll-ups, Chia Seed Pudding Parfait. From creamy chia seed pudding parfaits to savory avocado and bacon roll-ups. We've got it all. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, your taste buds will be doing the happy dance. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these breakfast wonders. So grab a seat, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell icon. And also join us on this exciting journey of lazy keto breakfasts without eggs. I promise it's going to be extraordinary. Let's dive in and make breakfast the most delicious part of your day. Are you ready? Let's roll. 10 best no-egg lazy keto breakfast ideas. Number 10, cauliflower hash browns. All right, keto friends, are you ready for a breakfast that's crispy, golden, and carb-conscious? We're diving into the world of cauliflower hash browns, a tasty twist on a classic that's entirely egg-free and keto-approved. So ready to kitchen with cauliflower, seasonings, and other hash brown ingredients. Step 1. Grab a head of cauliflower and let's transform it into a breakfast delight. Step 2. Grate the cauliflower. Mix it with some keto-friendly ingredients like almond flour, cheese, and a blend of seasonings. Step 3. Shape them into patties and we're ready to crisp things up. Cauliflower is a versatile keto hero, and in this recipe, it is taking center stage. These hash browns are a low-carb alternative that's just as satisfying as the original, perfect for those lazy mornings when you want a crunchy start. Feast your eyes on these cauliflower hash browns' crispy, golden perfection without a hint of egg. Serve them up with your favorite keto-friendly sauce or a dollop of sour cream. It is a game changer for your breakfast routine. Absolutely delicious. So there you have it, our cauliflower hash browns. Stay tuned because we've got more egg-free keto breakfast wonders coming your way. Now let's turn up the savory vibes with our spinach and feta breakfast casserole. It's the kind of comfort food that makes lazy keto mornings even more delightful. And yes, you guessed it, no eggs. So ready to kitchen with spinach, feta cheese, and other casserole ingredients. Step 1. We are layering fresh spinach, crumbled feta cheese, and a mix of keto-friendly ingredients in a baking dish. Step 2. Pop it in the oven, and in no time, you'll have a breakfast casserole that's as impressive as it is easy to make. The beauty of a breakfast casserole is that it's not just a one-time meal. Make a big batch and you've got breakfast sorted for the week. Plus, it's an excellent way to sneak in those nutrient-packed veggies. Here it is, our spinach and feta breakfast casserole. It's savory, cheesy, and completely egg-free. Whether you're serving a crowd or meal prepping for yourself, this casserole is a winner. The flavors are on point. And guess what? We've got one more delicious recipe coming your way. Number 8. Granola with nuts and seeds. We've got just the thing, our keto-friendly granola, loaded with nuts and seeds. It's a game changer, and the best part, absolutely no eggs involved. So get ready to kitchen with various nuts, seeds, and keto-friendly ingredients. Step 1. We are mixing up a medley of nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Step 2. Toss them with some unsweetened coconut flakes, a bit of sweetener, and bake until golden brown. It's the perfect crunchy companion for your morning routine. This keto-friendly granola is not only a delight for your taste buds, but it's also a nutrient-packed powerhouse. Nuts and seeds bring in healthy fats and proteins, making it an ideal addition to your low-carb breakfast arsenal. Behold our keto-friendly granola. Crunchy, satisfying, and completely egg-free. Sprinkle it on top of your favorite low-carb yogurt or enjoy it with a splash of almond milk. It's a breakfast win.
Whoa!
The perfect combination of textures. Up next, we've got more lazy keto goodness coming your way. Number 7. Now get ready for a breakfast treat that's as fluffy as a cloud are coconut flour pancakes. They're the perfect way to indulge your sweet tooth without compromising your lazy keto lifestyle. And the best part, no eggs in sight. We're diving into the world of coconut goodness with these pancakes. Arrangement a kitchen with coconut flour, almond milk, and other pancake ingredients. Step 1. Mix up coconut flour, a keto-friendly sweetener, a splash of almond milk, and a bit of baking powder. That's the secret to our fluffy, egg-free pancakes. Step 2. Coconut flour adds a delightful flavor while keeping those carbs in check. It's a fantastic alternative for our keto friends who want a break from the usual almond flour recipes. Hey, feast your eyes on these coconut flour pancakes. That is light, fluffy, and completely guilt-free. Top them with your favorite keto-friendly syrup or fresh berries, and you're in for a treat. It's like having dessert for breakfast without derailing your keto journey. Stay tuned because we're not done yet. Up next, we're diving into twist to tradition with a low-carb breakfast burrito using a lettuce wrap. Number 6. Low-carb breakfast burrito with lettuce wrap. Now let's reimagine breakfast with a twist. Our low-carb breakfast burrito using a lettuce wrap. We're keeping it fresh, crunchy, and of course, completely egg-free. First of all, kitchen setting with fresh vegetables, lettuce, and various low-carb ingredients as like avocado. Step 1. We are wrapping our breakfast goodness in crisp lettuce leaves. It's a low-carb alternative that's as tasty as it is healthy. Step 2. Fill it up with your favorite keto-friendly ingredients like some avocado, cheese, and a protein of your choice. What I love about this breakfast burrito is that it's not only satisfying, but also a great way to get those essential nutrients from leafy greens. Lettuce wraps keep it light and refreshing, perfect for a lazy keto morning.
Oh, yes!
Our low-carb breakfast burrito is ready to steal the spotlight. It's a flavor explosion without the extra carbs. Stay with us because up next, we're diving into another recipe of smoked salmon and cream cheese wraps. Hey, keto warriors, get ready for a breakfast experience that's as sophisticated as it is delectable. Our 5-member smoked salmon and cream cheese wraps keto recipe. We are elevating your mornings one flavorful bite at a time. Now we're going to a new setup with smoked salmon, cream cheese, and other ingredients. Step 1. We are pairing it with a generous spread of cream cheese, a sprinkle of capers for that zing, and a touch of dill for that extra freshness. Step 2. Grab your favorite smoked salmon. It's a keto-friendly superfood rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and let's get rolling. Not only is this dish a taste sensation, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse. Salmon brings in those heart-healthy omega-3s, and cream cheese adds a creamy richness that'll make you forget all about those breakfast omelets. Feast your eyes on the smoked salmon and cream cheese wraps a keto dream come true. The smokiness of the salmon, the creaminess of the cheese, it's a match made in keto heaven. Stay with us because the keto breakfast feast continues. Up next, we are blending up a storm with a keto smoothie bowl. Now let's shake things up a bit with recipe number 4, Keto Smoothie Bowl. That's not only a visual delight, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Say goodbye to boring breakfasts. Now arrange a kitchen setting with a blender, colorful fruits, and keto-friendly ingredients. Step 1. Grab your blender, toss in a mix of low-carb fruits like berries, a handful of spinach or kale for that extra nutrient boost. Step 2. Add your preferred keto-friendly liquid such as almond milk or coconut milk works like a charm. What I love about this keto smoothie bowl is that it's customizable to your taste and nutritional preferences. Plus, it's an excellent way to sneak in those greens without compromising on the flavor. Feast your eyes on this beauty. Our keto smoothie bowl is not just a treat for your taste buds. It's a nutrient-packed masterpiece. Creamy, fruity, and refreshing. It's like having dessert for breakfast, guilt-free. Stay with us for watching next keto recipe. Number 3. Greek yogurt with berries and almonds. Get ready to elevate your breakfast game with our burst of flavors Greek yogurt with berries and almonds. It's creamy, crunchy, and so satisfying. Ingredients: beautifully set table with Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and almonds. Step 1. Take your favorite low-carb Greek yogurt. Make sure to check those labels for hidden sugars. And step 2. Let's dive into a berrylicious adventure. We're talking luscious strawberries, juicy blueberries, and the perfect crunch of almonds. Now, not only is this Greek yogurt parfait a taste sensation, but it's also a protein powerhouse. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, which is essential for keeping you full and focused throughout the morning. Plus, those healthy fats from the almonds will keep you fueled for the day ahead. Nice! Our Greek yogurt with berries and almonds is ready to steal the show. It's like a breakfast party in your mouth. Creamy yogurt, vibrant berries, and that satisfying crunch. It's a symphony of flavors. Next up, we'll be diving into a delicious recipe. Recipe number 2, Avocado and Bacon Roll-Ups. Now let's switch gears to something savory with our Avocado and Bacon Roll-Ups, the perfect blend of creamy and crispy. Ingredients: a new kitchen setup with avocado, bacon, and other ingredients. Step 1. Grab a ripe avocado, slice it up, and let's get that creamy goodness ready. Step 2. Now take your favorite crispy bacon and wrap those avocado slices up. It's like a match made in keto heaven. What I love about this dish is that it's not only delicious, but also a fantastic source of healthy fats. Avocados are a keto superhero, packed with monounsaturated fats that keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the morning. Feast for your eyes. They're a keto dream come true. Perfect for those mornings when you want something savory without the eggs. Crispy bacon, creamy avocado, what more could you ask for? Stay tuned because we're getting Explain, the final and number 1 keto recipe on our egg-free keto breakfast adventure. You won't want to miss it, so don't go anywhere. Number 1, Chia Seed Pudding Parfait. All right, let's kick off our egg-free keto breakfast bonanza with breakfast delight that's as simple as it is delicious. The Chia Seed Pudding Parfait. Now set a kitchen with chia seeds pudding ingredients. Step 1. First up, we're diving into the world of chia seed pudding. It's a breeze to make. All you need are chia seeds and your favorite low-carb milk. Mix them up and let the chia seeds work their magic overnight. Step 2. Now, the fun part. We're layering this beauty with keto-friendly berries. Think succulent strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and throwing in a handful of nuts for that perfect crunch. It's like creating a symphony of textures in every bite. This parfait is not just a feast for your taste buds, it's a keto powerhouse. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and healthy fats, making this parfait a perfect low-carb breakfast option. No eggs, no fuss, just pure deliciousness. It's like dessert for breakfast, but without the guilt. So there you have it, our Chia Seed Pudding Parfait. And there you have it, folks, a complete lineup of lazy keto breakfasts without a single egg in sight. I hope you found these recipes both inspiring and delicious. If you try any of them, let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. Until next time, stay keto and stay fabulous. Well, there you have it, our egg-free keto breakfast bonanza. From chia seed pudding parfaits to cauliflower hash browns, we've explored a world of delicious possibilities without a single egg. I hope these recipes inspire you to spice your mornings with a dash of keto creativity. Whether you're a seasoned keto pro or just starting your journey, remember, breakfast doesn't have to be boring. With a touch of innovation and a sprinkle of keto magic, you can turn your morning routine into a culinary adventure. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like this video, share it with your keto buddies, and subscribe for more tasty ideas. And hey, let me know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try first, or if you have any favorite egg-free keto breakfasts of your own. Until next time, may your mornings be as exciting as your breakfast creations. Happy cooking, everyone! Thank you, everyone, and goodbye.